forecast, so let's check in with weather specialist Noor Rafat. Hey, Noor.
Hey, thanks very much, Mark. Hard to find a single fault in the weather today. We had that gorgeous sunshine lasting all through the morning, the afternoon, even into the early evening. I guess the one thing I would say, wish the sun didn't set as early as 6:30, but we know that ship has sailed anyway. 19 degrees just now outside the Toronto airport. The skies are so clear, the visible satellite looks like it's not working because it's not detecting any cloud cover. But we know it's working. The cloud and the rain is there up to the north. That's been tracking east since yesterday and bringing that shower and at times heavy rain, Timmins, Sault Ste. Marie, and pushing into Quebec. That has brought cooler temperatures gradually up to the north. It was 21 earlier yesterday in Timmins, now at 12. Still going strong southern Ontario and in the east. Mid to upper teens, even some low 20s as you head towards Sarnia and Windsor, and just a teeny bit of humidity. These great temperatures, or great conditions rather, that we're seeing thanks to a large area of high pressure. That's what we call clear skies, systems that bring the opposite of rain. So no cloud cover, just sunshine and dry conditions. That is extending through parts of central Canada and the east, yes, but also through large sections of the United States, around parts of the Midwest, into the northeast and the southeast. The low pressure is closing in, we know that, and eventually it'll make its way into southern Ontario with cloud cover and rain, but that won't be the case in the near future. So your day tomorrow is looking perfectly great. What we're going to see is overnight some cloud cover trickling in very slowly, lingering towards the east Sunday morning, and by the afternoon clearing up very quickly. Also looking at another day of mainly sunny conditions. Now it'll be a gorgeous time to spend outside, even into your overnight tonight, my fellow stargazers. Another perfect night to do just that. Tomorrow, enjoy those high temperatures and all that sunshine, hopefully outdoors. 22 degrees for your high. Mark?
Thank you very much, Noor. Noor is back now with another look at the forecast. Here's my tip for this time of year, Noor, because you never really know what you're going to have to wear when you go out day to day. You just keep like a full wardrobe in your trunk.
Yeah,
and you can never go wrong.
Maybe shorts and t-shirts on one side, a winter coat,
Sure.
a little bit of gloves, but also a nice scarf and...
Or a parka.
Yeah. That's good advice from Fashion Corner.
That's right.
Let's see how the temperatures will fare over the coming days. Well, you can see warm air is settling in quite nice into central Canada, pushing even to the east. Warmer temps today in Newfoundland and the Maritimes. Portions of those into the upper teens, low 20s. Also looking at upper teens, low 20s around parts of the Great Lakes. 12 in Thunder Bay. Cooler, of course, as I mentioned, with that cloud cover and rain. Cooler also southern Manitoba, but still quite a bit of warmth in southern sections of the western prairies and into Saskatchewan as well. A bit of a mixed bag when it comes to BC. Cold up in the north and then down towards Vancouver, mid to upper teens. We've got a lot of rain and at times snow. We're talking upwards of 120 millimeters potentially for areas like Vancouver Island as we head through the next couple of days. Nothing like that to worry about in Toronto. We're looking at the opposite of low pressure, high pressure taking over. So clear skies, dry conditions, plenty of sunshine. Your high climbing to 22 degrees. It will be windy as the day progresses, especially in the evening. So do watch out for that. But here's that area of high pressure, large area, as I mentioned, extending through parts of the United States. And here is the low pressure just above. We know it's closing in the coming days, but it won't be anything to worry about until later on in the week. So this is the part where I really don't know what to show you guys. It's not a whole lot happening. Just cloud cover in the east tomorrow morning. A cloudy start, Kingston, Ottawa, Cornwall. That'll dissipate by the afternoon. Gorgeous sunshine for your Sunday. Monday, even brighter. Start to the day. Afternoon, also bright. No cloud cover whatsoever until we head into the evening. Some of that into Muskoka, Peterborough, Niagara Falls won't impact your day too much. Tuesday, some high clouds rolling through southwestern Ontario. Still looking at dry conditions. conditions, though, and very warm conditions. Now, it's not just the daytime highs that'll be warm, but even some of our overnights will start to climb above average into the double digits, and certainly a number of days that will be memorable for many of us across the map. 18 in Cobourg, Muskoka 21, Niagara Falls also on that range, 25 by Monday, 24 on Tuesday. Wednesday cooler, and again a chance to see that rain roll in. And then as we head into your weekend, starting to get closer to seasonal, but still looking at a lot of sunshine and dry conditions for Toronto.
Look at the forecast, so let's check in with weather specialist Noor Rafat. Hey, Noor.
Hey, thanks very much, Mark. Another spectacular day in the books for Toronto, but who's to say that it's over just yet? If you're still heading out tonight, enjoy an unobstructed view of the skyline, because we've got clear skies tonight, not a single cloud in the sky just yet, and we're sticking to the double digits late this evening. It was quite the remarkable scene today. Wall-to-wall sunshine from southwestern Ontario to the east. At one point, it seemed like our satellite and radar wasn't working, and we know why this is happening. A high-pressure system has really parked itself over parts of central Canada and the east, but extending well to the south, the Midwest of the United States, the Northeast, even into parts of the Southeast. So we're talking sunny skies, dry conditions, no cloud cover, but also climbing temperatures. When you've got an unobstructed view of the sun, or when the sun can push through unobstructed, you can see those temperatures climb well above average. 19 in Toronto when we should be at 12, 20 London, Waterloo, 21 in Sarnia. Not bad, yes, but not quite fall-like just yet. We're looking at similar conditions in the coming days. Your Sunday, absolutely gorgeous. That low pressure in the north will slide through to the east into Quebec, and really what we're looking at, a bit of cloud cover to start off your Sunday in Cornwall, Kingston. By the afternoon, barely a cloud in the sky, and once again looking at those sunny conditions and those climbing temperatures. Now, lovers of the space and stars, don't forget to look up tonight. Clear conditions yet again, and a warm overnight in Toronto. By tomorrow, 22, your high, mainly sunny, but some windy conditions to start off the day. Mark?
Thank you very much, Noor. Tensions are still high after Hamas leader in October Noor is back with another look at the forecast, or what we like to call Fashion Corner, because
Yes.
it's all about deciding what to wear now.
Yes,
This
which
time of
is
year.
a very challenging task,
It
it
is, yeah.
seems. Not just the past few days, in the coming days, Mark. If you've got a coat, that's good. If you've got a T-shirt, that's also good. Gloves are good. Boots, but also sneakers.
Yeah, you need a little bit of everything.
Yeah. Well, you can really see how that warm air is settling in quite nice through large sections of the country. Around the Great Lakes, here we are looking at 22s and 21s yet again tomorrow, also into Atlantic Canada. Now 16 in St. John's, Newfoundland by tomorrow. Some more of those 20s into the Maritimes. Also in southern portions of Manitoba, Saskatchewan, into Alberta as well, and really a mixed bag in BC. We're looking at cooler temperatures in Vancouver, still a whole lot of rain and a whole lot of snow in the north. We've been seeing some incredible images of what the atmospheric river that is pummeling BC has brought to areas like Vancouver and Victoria. Endless rain, and we're looking at potentially 150 to 250 millimeters by the end of the weekend, depending on where we're looking at in BC. Quite the opposite is unfolding here. An area of high pressure has brought dry conditions, sunny skies through parts of central Canada, the east, and pushing into the United States. Tomorrow, that high pressure continues through the Toronto region. We're looking at mainly sunny conditions, your high climbing to 22. It will be a windy day, a windy start, but eventually a much windier evening, so do be prepared for those conditions. Other than that, spectacular sunshine across the afternoon, heading into the early evening hours as well. And by Monday, really a similar setup. There's not much to show you on this map because we don't have a whole lot going on. It's going to be a number of days where we're going to see some incredible conditions, but also really what a lot of people I think will celebrate is the climbing temperatures. Tuesday, we'll start to see some high clouds pushing in through southwestern Ontario, up in Cottage Country, but still plenty of sunny breaks. And over the course of the next few days, it won't just be our daytime highs that we'll be climbing, but it'll also be our overnights. We're going to get into some double digits. Well, into next week. Here we are, 25 by Monday, 13 for that overnight low. Still continuing with the above average temperatures through to Wednesday, although there could be rain on the way. A slight cool down with some cooler air Thursday, but back again to upper teens by Saturday, and we've got the sun to keep us company.